Hello, welcome to Linux Help tutorial. In this segment we are going to see how to install Odoo with Nginx in Ubuntu. And basically it is a business software that helps in building websites, building, accounting, etc. etc. So at first it is called as Tiny ERP, then OpenERP, and with few upgrades it is now called as Odoo. So here I am going to install the latest version of 9.0. So normally Odoo will work with the backend of PostgreSQL database. So at first we need to install the PostgreSQL database. So apt-get install PostgreSQL and PostgreSQL hyphen client. So PostgreSQL is successfully installed in my system. I'm going to set the master password. So at first go to that user Postgres and inside that PSQL. So there I am going to set the password. So I have successfully set the password to Postgres user. So once it's done, /q is user to quit the interface. So again give exit to come back to the root login. So next we need to add the repo for installing Odoo. So before that we can add the key for that repo. Run this command to download the Odoo key and install in our machine. So now the key is successfully installed in our machine, and now it's time to install the Odoo's repo. So in Ubuntu, for adding the repo, just add the line that is the HTTP link pointing out to the repo in etc apt source.list file. So I'm just opening this etc apt and inside that sources.list file. So in that file, at last add the repo. So this is the HTTP link pointing out the Odoo's repo. So once it's done, save and quit the file. So before installing Odoo, we need to install the dependencies. So the necessary dependency for Odoo is Python, and here is the list of packages to be installed as a dependency for Odoo. And hit enter to install all those packages. And here we have installed all the necessary dependencies for Odoo, and it's a good habit in Ubuntu, that is to update the machine once the repo or some packages are installed. So I'm going to update my machine. So thus we have completed the basic setup. Now we can start installing Odoo. Apt-get install Odoo. So thus we have successfully installed the Odoo. So now go to the browser and call the IP of your machine, and the port number is 8069. So you can see the Odoo's login page. So here I need to create the database. So at first I am giving the database as test1, and email you can give any email. So here I am giving test1@gmail.com, and the password is 12345. So language US, and country I'm choosing it as India, and here you can click create database. So once it's done, you will prompt to the login page. So here mention the email what you have mentioned in prior page. So I'm giving it as test1@gmail.com, and the password is 12345. So just hit login. and this is the home page of Odoo. So here you can install the apps which is necessary to help you. So here for example I am going to install CRM. So once the selected apps are installed, you will be see that here the icon is changed to installed. So you can just click on the app to go into that app, and this is the homepage of that app, and you can set the master password for the database. So at first log out, and here you can see manage databases. So click that, and here you can see that the database is located here. So at top you can see set a master password. So just click that and you can set the new password. So here I am giving the password as Linux at 123 and hit continue. So the password is updated to this database. So thus we have successfully installed and configured the Odoo, and we can now start using this Odoo app. And the another step we can see is how to access with Nginx as the front-end web server. So at first we need to install Nginx. The Nginx web server is successfully installed. So in Ubuntu, the Nginx configuration file is located in etc Nginx, and inside that sites enabled, and inside that default. So in this configuration file we need to add a line which is shown here. So go to last, and here you can see these lines are hashed. So just remove those hash, and at last add the contents which is shown here. And in listen just change the in server name just change the name. So here I am going to mention my IP, and in location part just save the content here and close the tag. So we need to close one more tag and just save and quit the file. So once it's done, restart the Nginx service. tc init.d Nginx restart. So the Nginx service is restarted. So now go to the browser and just call my IP without the port number. So here you will get the same Odoo login page. So Nginx acts as the reverse proxy and the front-end web server for Odoo. So hope this video will be very useful in installing Odoo. See you on next video. Thank you.